Okay, I have a large guard security padlock with American core in it, 6-pin. Says hardened on the back. Lock does work. This lock is not a key retaining lock, so the key will come out. Okay, it's locked up. Okay, it is locked. This is the bitting on the key. So let's open it up and see what kind of pins are in this American core lock. This guard security with the American core. Okay, let's use top of the keyway. Let's go to the bottom of the lock. Let's use this pick. We'll go to the bottom. A bit on pin 6. A little bit of false set on pin 5. Okay, some feedback on pin 1. Okay, pin 1. Okay, it's open. Now that's unusual. But anyway, we've got it open. So let's go ahead and gut it. See what's in it. It is does have an American core in it. Okay, let's see if we can get this clip off the back. If we lock it back up, we've got a key. Okay, there we go. Alright, pin number 6. Get a little bit closer view of it so I can see it. Number 6 looks like a spool. Number 5. Serrated pin. Number 4 is another spool. Number 3 is another serrated pin. Okay, let's see if we can get those other 2 pins out. Okay, we lost a pin. think it popped on the floor. Now here it is in the tray. So we'll take a close look at these pins in just a moment. Okay, let's go ahead and dump these. Well, yeah, let me dump these pins out, then we'll look at them. Okay, the core is partially threaded, and about, well, maybe all chambers are threaded. Okay, let's see if we can take a closer look at the pins. Okay, this is a serrated pin on top, another serrated pin on top. This is a standard on 1 and 2. Okay, 3 and 4 has a spool and a spool on top. This is a serrated spool. This is just a standard spool and standard pins. On 5 and 6, serrated pin and a spool and standard pins on the bottom. Okay, that's what we have in this guard lock with an American core. Appreciate you taking the time to look at this video. Please stay out of trouble, and please do not do anything illegal. And thank you very much again. Appreciate it.